10 facts about the human body you didn't know. The human body is the most extraordinary machine you will ever own. Every second of your life, it works tirelessly, carrying out billions of processes you never notice, keeping you alive, helping you think, move, and feel. Yet, despite centuries of science, there are still countless mysteries hidden inside us. From astonishing capabilities to strange quirks of biology, our bodies are full of surprises. In this video, we count down 10 remarkable facts about the human body that reveal just how incredible we truly are. Fact 10. Your body contains more microorganisms than human cells. While this might sound unsettling at first, it's actually a crucial part of who you are. Scientists estimate that trillions of bacteria, viruses, and fungi live in and on the human body, collectively known as the microbiome. These microorganisms outnumber your own human cells by at least 3 to 1, but instead of being harmful, most of them are essential for survival. In your gut alone, these microbes help digest food, produce vitamins, and train your immune system. In fact, the balance of your microbiome can influence your mood, weight, and even the risk of certain diseases. So in a way, you are less a single organism and more a bustling ecosystem, a walking community of life forms working together to keep you healthy. Fact 9. Your brain is the most energy-demanding organ in your body, even though it makes up only about 2% of your weight. This small mass consumes around 20% of your daily energy. Every thought, every memory, every movement relies on billions of neurons firing tiny electrical signals. Within a single second, your brain performs more operations than the most advanced supercomputer in the world. To fuel this activity, your brain depends heavily on glucose and oxygen, and if blood flow stops even for a few minutes, brain cells begin to die. Despite its incredible power, we still don't fully understand how consciousness arises from this network of cells. The human brain remains both the most studied and the most mysterious organ we have. Fact 8. The human heart is astonishingly strong. Beating around 100,000 times a day, it pumps about 7,000 liters of blood through 60,000 miles of blood vessels. That's enough to circle the earth more than twice. Over the course of an average lifetime, your heart will beat more than 3 billion times without rest. To put that into perspective, most machines would wear out after such continuous use, yet the heart endures for decades. Its electrical system, which generates impulses, allows it to keep beating even when disconnected from the brain for a short time. It is both delicate and powerful, and without it, none of us would survive a single moment. Fact 7. Your skeleton is not as permanent as you might think. Bones are living tissue, constantly being broken down and rebuilt. Every decade or so, most of the bones in your body have been completely replaced. This process, called bone remodeling, helps keep bones strong and capable of repairing damage. Your skeleton is also surprisingly light, though it supports your entire body. All 206 bones together weigh only about 12 to 15% of your total body weight. Inside many of those bones lies marrow, where billions of new blood cells are created every day. Far from being a rigid framework, your skeleton is alive and dynamic, quietly renewing itself as you grow older. Fact 6. The human body is capable of producing electricity. Every nerve signal that travels from your brain to your muscles. Every heartbeat, every thought depends on electrical impulses generated by charged particles, moving in and out of cells. Your body creates enough electricity to power a small light bulb. This bioelectricity is what allows your brain to communicate with your body at incredible speed. For example, signals from your brain can reach your toes in less than 1/100th of a second. Without this constant stream of electrical activity, movement, sensation, and thought would be impossible. You are, in a very real sense, an electrically powered being. Fact 5. Your skin is the largest organ you have, covering about 2 square meters on average and weighing up to 10 kilograms. More than just a protective layer, it is a complex system that regulates temperature, senses touch, and even produces vitamin D when exposed to sunlight. Skin renews itself roughly every 28 days, shedding around 30,000 to 40,000 dead cells every minute. Over the course of your life, you will shed about 18 kilograms of skin. Despite this constant renewal, Skin also records the passage of time, showing lines, scars, and marks of experience. It is both your shield and your story, revealing to the world who you are and where you have been. Fact 4. The human body has an incredible capacity for endurance. While many animals are faster or stronger, humans are among the best long-distance runners in the animal kingdom. This ability comes from a combination of sweat glands that allow us to cool efficiently, spring-like tendons in our legs, and the ability to breathe through both mouth and nose while running. Some anthropologists believe endurance running played a key role in human history, allowing our ancestors to chase prey for hours until the animal became exhausted. Even today, marathon runners demonstrate this unique adaptation, showing how our bodies are built not just for survival, but for remarkable feats of stamina. Fact 3. The human senses extend beyond the classic 5. While we often talk about sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch, scientists recognize many more subtle senses. There's proprioception, the sense of your body's position in space. Equilibrioception, which helps you balance. Thermoception, your ability to detect heat and cold. And nociception, the sense of pain. Some researchers count over 20 distinct senses in the human body. These senses work together seamlessly, providing a constant stream of information that allows you to move, react, and survive in the world around you. What feels effortless is actually the result of an orchestra of biological systems working in harmony. Fact 2. Your DNA, the blueprint of life, is unimaginably long. If you took all the DNA in a single human cell and stretched it out, it would measure about 2 meters. Multiply that by the trillions of cells in your body, and the total length of your DNA would reach to the sun and back hundreds of times. Despite its length, DNA fits inside the nucleus of each cell thanks to an ingenious system of coiling and folding. This compact code contains all the instructions needed to build and maintain your body, and yet 99.9% of your DNA is identical to every other human on Earth. The tiny fraction that differs is what makes you unique. Fact 1. The most extraordinary fact of all may be that your body is still full of mysteries. Despite centuries of research, we are only beginning to understand the brain, the immune system, and the countless processes that keep us alive. Scientists continue to uncover new discoveries, from hidden anatomical structures to surprising connections between the body and the mind. The human body is not just a machine, but a living story, constantly adapting, repairing, and evolving. It is at once fragile and resilient, ordinary and miraculous. To study it is to marvel at the very essence of life itself. So there you have it. 10 remarkable facts about the human body, each one a reminder of the complexity and wonder that lies within us all. Did you enjoy these 10 facts about the human body? Write your thoughts in the comments, leave a like, and subscribe. Thank you.